personal journey and your magical practices. I wouldn't be able to tell you how long you have to do certain spiritual work. It's all about you. And it's up to you to go within and determine the truth that resonates in your being.
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. The long game. Are you in instant gratification mode? Somebody's going to hear this message. In this spiritual work, spiritual practice is what I like to call it. It's important to understand that this is a journey within, and the work is the spirituality.
Message!
This constant and consistent work of moving to understanding yourself as God is where it's at. The long game. In meditation, the idea is to do consistent, planned meditations. For example, if I'm working on my chakras and I'm in the space of balancing out my sacral chakra, which one will be more effective? Doing a sacral meditation for 1 day? Doing it for 30 days? Or doing the meditation consistently until something shifts within your consciousness?
Knock, knock!
When I was working on my sacral chakra, I was only going to do it for 1 week. Sacral chakra meditations, affirmations for the sacral chakra, drinking my chakra tonics, reading on the sacral chakra every night. All this work I was doing consistently through the struggles of the day. My week was up and I wasn't satisfied with my results or how I was feeling. I continued on with that one chakra until I knew there was a change in my being. About 2 weeks later, I woke up with a feeling of confidence, reassurance, and peace from within. I knew I've accomplished my goal. This is your personal journey and your magical practices. I wouldn't be able to tell you how long you have to do certain spiritual work. It's all about you. And it's up to you to go within and determine the truth that resonates in your being. Kundalini practice, chakra work, lucid dreaming, shadow work, even manifesting certain things on this human reality. All of this takes consistent sitting by yourself and going within. Consistency is key, and the chaos being in you is ready to rise to the occasion. Think about it. You've been getting programmed for 20, 30, 60 years of your life by religion, TV, and schools. And can't forget about your mama. You know, she the grand poobah of that thing. That programming ain't going to go away over a weekend. You might consciously not believe in Jesus, but is the framework eradicated? Do you still have false hopes of something outside of yourself? I am an avid writer, and I jot down all my spiritual progressions on my journey. My advice to you is to write everything down. Don't be lazy about it. Write it down so you can actually see what you're feeling. Seeing it in this 3D matrix is key in understanding your growth. You might think you remember it, but your conscious mind wants to throw that away. Why? because you still might be set in your old programming ways. Deprogram writing is key in making yourself in tune. The long game is not necessarily about time, it's about patience and having pure, unadulterated love for the process. Think about it like working out. Eventually, you don't worry about how you look or how much muscles you gain. And now, you're in the working out practice for the feeling good response. Work out that aspect of you that knows. Your mind. Your mind is the greatest weapon you have. Why wouldn't you want it to be your lifestyle? Tap into your power by falling in love with the work. Remember, the end result is not real. This is forever and a day in this matrix. Dream wise. Fuck woke, do work.